shy. I just want it in tonight. A little fun. Fresh from Monaco, performing for Microsoft, Miami to LA, G4, we taking off. I'm a hard worker, I'm far from the boss, but when it's said and done, I'm owning it all. I know you think it's just rap, just this, just that. Right, nah baby, this my life. Wanna have fun for a night? Then just loosen everybody till it come undone. Loosen everybody, baby, come undone. Loosen everybody till it come undone. Loosen everybody, baby, come undone. Oh my mind, looking like a good, good time. Don't disguise the way you wanna love tonight. Oh my mind, hook you with a brand new high. Don't be shy, I just want it in tonight. A little fun. On tour with Enrique, off in Casa Campo, who would've thought Dique? Down in Key Largo, you know I'm on that sticky. Icky. Don't do it much, but when I do, I'm gone. Don't take it all off, keep your heels and thong. Hi, mommy, that turns me on. Now just listen to the song and loosen everybody till it come undone. Loosen everybody, baby, come undone. Loosen everybody till it come undone. Loosen everybody, baby, come undone. Oh my mind, looking like a good, good time. Don't disguise the way you wanna love tonight. Oh my mind, hook you with a brand new high. I just want it in tonight. A little fun. Come on, mommy, you know what it is. Come on, baby, you know what it is. I wanna, let's go to the crib. And if you want, you can bring your friends. Come on, mommy, you know what it is. Come on, baby, you know what it is. I wanna, let's go to the crib. And if you want, you can bring your friends and we can fun. Let's go.
You're gonna love this. You can't touch this. Cause I'm a bad bitch.
We hit the elevator right up to the rooftop. The bass is pumping, make me wanna screw the top off. Yeah, we'll be drinking and nobody's gonna stop us. And we'll be kissing anybody that's around us. I just wanna have fun tonight. Oh, shit, put me under the flashing light.
I'm the winner. Beat, bitch, move. For I bang, bang with that ooze. That's Mew Mew on my shoes. Ain't got a thing left for me to prove. Is that bottle service all night? Is that poppin' urban just right? Is that go hard or go home zone? Bitch, I'm Madonna, these hoes know.
We go hard or we go home. We gon' do this all night long. We get freaky if you want. Nah, 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 nah. We go hard or we go home. We gon' do this all night long. We get freaky if you want. Bitch, I'm Madonna.
We do it like this. You're gonna love this. You can't touch this. Cause I'm a bad bitch.
Who do you think
Cause
you
I'm a
are?
bad bitch. bad bitch.
Who do you think you
Cause I'm a
are?
bad bitch.
Who do you think you are?
Go hard, go home zone, bitch. I'ma die to these hoes, no. Go hard, go home zone, bitch. I'ma die to these hoes, no.
Round and round like a horse on a carousel. We go, will I catch up to love? I can never tell. I know, chasing after you is like a fairy tale. But I feel like I'm glued on tight to this carousel. Turning back now, round and round like a horse on a carousel. We go, will I catch up to love? I can never tell. I don't know, chasing after you is like a fairy tale. But I feel like I'm glued on tight to this carousel. This horse is too slow. We're always this close. Almost, almost. We're a freak show, right when I'm near. It's like you disappear. Where'd you go? Stop being a freak show, and it's all fun and games till somebody falls in love. But you already bought a ticket and there's no turning back now. Round and round like a horse on a carousel. We go, will I catch up to love? I can never tell. Chasing after you is like a fairy tale. But I feel like I'm glued on tight to this carousel. Why did you steal my cotton candy heart? You threw it in this damn coin slot. And now I'm stuck. Riding. On a carousel, we go. Will I catch up to love? I can never tell. I don't know. Chasing after you is like a fairy tale. But I feel like I'm glued on tight to this carousel.
Electric lights blow my mind, but I feel alright. Never stop, it's how we ride, coming up until we die.